Hello guys. So we are going to start now preparing the scene line, okay, to analyze the PDF file invoice, okay. So we got the income data as a PDF file, so it's going to the switch. The switch will distinguish and filter it, so the switch will notify us that the entry is a PDF. Okay, we did send a PDF file beyond the Telegram bot. So now we are going to add a routing role. So the value is this is a PDF file. Okay, if it's a PDF exists, so he will give us the new input PDF. So, and okay, now we got two outputs. The image, there is no image, but the PDF, there is one item. Okay, so that's it. Okay, for the second thing is we are going to make a Telegram node. Why? So we can get the file. Okay, so we can get the file. Okay, Telegram. Okay, so get a file. So file gets. We are going to put the file ID here. Download, execute. Okay, there's some problems here. Okay, so we didn't put the same bots. Okay, now we are on the same bot. So when you click here, you can download the file. So for the next node, we are going to do something is going to extract from file. There is a direct extraction. The data we can extract it from the PDF without using any HTTP request, any transformation of the base of the data. Okay, just we are going to add extracts from file. Okay, and there is here there is an option of a PDF form. So here this node it's easy to handle. Just we are going to save it like this, and it will extract all the data exists in the PDF file. We do save to not lose these information. Okay, next we are going to handle the OpenAI node. We're just going to copy and paste this node. Okay, we are going to handle it to make us understand and extract the data. Okay, as the same thing before with the image, but this time we are going to correct this thing to handle the PDF entry. So we are going to remove the input text and put the input text, okay, of the PDF. Okay, so we are going to keep the same things. Okay, here's also we are going to make it so the prompt should work with the new incoming data from the previous node. Okay, so we can give this a name, for example, OpenAI PDF. Okay, so we are going to name it, save it, make, execute. So we got the data easy, description, date, and total amount, the same thing that exists in the PDF file. So the next node is going to be the same Google Sheet. So it's just copy paste, okay, The same thing as before. We link this. We are going to update something here is the data here so he can organize it in our Google Sheets. Okay, so we should put the values of the PDF formations. Okay, so we are going to execute and save. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, so we are going to save. So the next thing, as you know, we are going to use OpenAI model so he can help us just copy paste, okay, to help us to create a response. We should send this as a confirmation to the Telegram again, the same thing, okay? Just we are going to update something here, okay? That's it. We are going to update those data, okay, from this one. Okay, so we are going to remove this, put the first, okay, then we are going to put the second formations, okay, and the third, okay. So we are going to look if there's anything that we should change here, okay. Description results, okay, okay, this is how it's going to be, okay. This is the text that we should send to our Telegram as a confirmation. Okay, perfect. So now we are going to do the same thing. We are going to copy and paste this node connected with the OpenAI. Let's give this a name, for example, to make it PDF line or PDF, just to make it understandable for us. So now we are going to make the configuration of Telegram so we can see the results here. When you send a PDF, you should receive a message like this one that contain the PDF information. Okay, and as you see here, because we did uploaded the PDF twice, he make twice. Okay, he make this first registration of the data, the information, and a second one because we did send the same file twice. Okay, so it's normal. Okay, you can remove one of them manually, for example. Okay, now we are going to do the confirmation with the Telegram message. Okay, so the chat ID should be the same, okay, because we are working in the same chat. The same person is talking here with this bot, okay, so he should remember the same chat, but the text, and the text should be your data saved, okay, successfully on your sheets. Okay, so with this content, okay, we are going to do and send this content here. Okay, so we are going to do execution. Normally we should receive a message and check it's perfect. We did receive it. Okay, your data has been saved successfully on your sheet. Bill name, web design, date is this, and total amount is correct. Okay, so this is what we got in this video. So if you want some extra videos, we are going in the fourth video, we are going to add a text note. It will be handled at the same process, is almost the same process. We are going to handle it so you can put, for example, any information, any invoices. For example, you if you don't have any sort of invoices, or you remember something you did spend it, you can just write it correctly and the system will save it here as the same thing for the photos and the PDFs. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. We are going to create it soon and share it in our channel. Please subscribe if you are interested knowing how you can process any and if you want any and subscription information, anything, creating your own workflow. I'm glad to help. Just contact me and comments, and I'm going to share our Telegram group for more information. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.